Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to start your IELTS course. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure, including the 4 sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Knowing the scoring system helps you target specific areas. Next, honestly evaluate your current English skills to identify strengths and weaknesses. This initial assessment is crucial for tailoring your study plan effectively. Finally, establish achievable goals and a practical timeline for your preparation. A well-defined schedule keeps you motivated and on track. Deciding on your study method is a key step. You can choose to self-study, enroll in a flexible online course, or attend traditional in-person classes. Each option offers different benefits, so pick what best suits your learning style. Ensure you collect reliable study materials, including official IELTS guides and authentic practice tests. These resources are invaluable for understanding question types and time management. Develop a consistent study schedule, dedicating specific times each day or week to your IELTS preparation. To excel, focus on mastering each section. For listening, practice with a variety of English accents and topics, aiming to understand main ideas and specific details. For reading, engage with academic articles, newspapers, and magazines to build vocabulary and speed. Pay attention to different question types. In writing, practice both Task 1, describing data or processes, and Task 2, requiring an essay. Focus on coherence, cohesion, grammar, and vocabulary for both. Regular practice tests are essential to simulate exam conditions and manage your time effectively. Analyze your mistakes to understand areas needing more attention. For speaking, engage in daily conversations, perhaps with a study partner or tutor, to build fluency and confidence. Practice answering common IELTS speaking questions. On exam day, ensure you get adequate rest and arrive early. Stay calm, read instructions carefully, and manage your time wisely. Remember to check the description for the Kindle Paperwhite link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.